Hello students, we're going to continue with our lesson on the grand staff. The grand staff starts on page 23 and it's on position C. When we play in the grand staff, this means we're using our left hand and our right hand at the same time. So to find my position, I'm going to start with my left hand that makes an L, and I'm going to find middle C, and I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, G, and I'm going to put my one finger on G, and now my left hand is in position, and then now bring my right hand up to position on middle C. C position should be something that we find very quickly and easily now that we've been playing for as long as we have. So I'm going to play position C. I'm going to look carefully at my music, and I'm going to see that it starts in the bass clef on the bottom of the staff. So that means I'm going to start with my left hand. I'm going to say the names of the notes now as I play them. C, D, E, F, G, G, F, E, D, C, C, D, E, F, G, G, F, E, D, C. Good. So let's turn the page now to page 24, morning prayer. When I look carefully at morning prayer, I can see that it's starting in the treble clef, and then we move to the bottom line, it goes down to the bass clef. So I'm going to start with my right hand, and then I will switch to my left hand. I'm going to repeat the song and say the names of the notes. When you continue on to page 25, you have more music theory. It asks us in question 1 to circle each of the left hand and right hand notes from the C position on the grand staff. So when you are putting your hands on the piano, it wants you to circle the notes that you would play in C position. Then on number 2, you're going to write the name of the note in each square below it. So we're going to practice with our treble clef writing the names of the notes and the bass clef writing the names of the notes. And then on number 3, we're going to write the names of the notes, but they should spell words. So if you don't see a word that is familiar, then you should check your note and make sure that you have the correct note written down. I'm going to turn the page and I'm going to go ahead and play a happy song on page 27, page 26. It starts with the left hand in the bass clef. This song is maybe a little tricky because you're bouncing back and forth between your left hand and your right hand. When I look carefully at the beginning, it starts in the bass clef with my left hand, and then it jumps up to my right hand, and then I go back down to my left hand, then back up to my right hand, and then back down to my left hand. If you look at your music, it actually says in red letters, it says LH and RH every time your hands switch to give you a good reminder. I'm going to play it again one more time, and I'm going to write the names of the notes as I play it. Or I'm going to say the names of the notes as I play it. Here we go. G, F, E, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, E, D, E, want to pause there on our lesson on the grand staff. We'll do a second lesson on the grand staff to talk about the next few pages. Make sure you are practicing each song carefully so that you can play it smoothly without mistakes.